What is going on, you guys? Bramley here with a brand new drawing tutorial, and today we are going to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. I decided to go a little bit easy now. The last couple of tutorials have been pretty lengthy and detailed, which is good, but I also want to do some quick and easy tutorials as well. So this one is going to be of SpongeBob, and there's no lesson preview, like a speeded version of it, because I mean it's relatively easy to do. I didn't think that we even needed an intro for this video. Anyway, enough talking, you guys. Let's get started. And the first thing we got to do is figure out how to draw the rectangular shape that SpongeBob is in, because that's pretty crucial. And I'm going to start right here. Draw a line going across. Okay, and then I'm going to come up with a shape that kind of looks like, well, a sponge, except it's wider in the front, or wider at the top and smaller at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to draw it like this for now, and then you see how it gets narrow. Okay, so right around here, that pretty much sort of makes a square-ish shape, not quite a square. So that's how I want it to go, but I'm going to continue it going down, and I'm going to draw a rectangle, this shape. Now you guys can probably tell this is the head, this is the small body, and yeah, legs are going to go down over here. Okay, so that's the start. Whoa, there you go. I'm drawing these straight for now, but what we need to do later on is we need to turn them into, we need to curve these lines. So don't draw them too dark. So now what I did was I created the side of SpongeBob by just drawing these lines here. You guys notice that this goes this way and then this goes this way, so they're not quite the same. So it's an uneven look. Okay, and then the pants continue on that way. Now let's figure out where the eyes are going to go, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw some eyes, not too big. That is just about right. So right there. Actually, what I should have done is draw a line going down the middle here, and you kind of want your eyes to get to that line right there, and I'm drawing a circle as best as I can until I get a nice rounded shape. And this takes practice. Definitely, you know, when you're just sketching, I recommend you guys grab a sketchbook, and when you're just sketching, just try sketching circles and try to get them as round as you can. Okay, so there's one circle. I'm going to draw the other circle next to it right here, about the same size. And you guys notice there's an overlap here. That is completely fine. That is how it's supposed to go. Okay, and I'm going to find a point right here, and then a point just below it, more to the left right there. So those 2 points, and then I'm going to find a curve right around this part of the nose. Okay, so curve, 2 points right there. Of course, what you do is you connect them. There you go. Okay, right here, right around this part of the nose. Curved line to the right. And then find a spot right here near the eye on this side. And then what you want to do is you want to draw a line from here all the way to that point. Like that. Okay, while we're here, let's draw a curve. So now I'm going to draw a curve like this. You notice that it's longer on this side than it is on this side. And of course the cheek. The cheek is just going to be like a C shape on its side, like this, and it overlaps the eyes. Like that. Okay, not bad, not bad. Now, on each side of the line going down the center, I'm going to draw 2 buck teeth, roughly around the same size. So there you go. Going down from this tooth, line going down. This goes across right here, and this goes up to this point. There you go. 3 freckles right here. The tongue goes like this. Curve, another curve. There you go. Lower lip, just like that. Okay, let's draw the pupils in. They're about this big, here and here. And then I'm going to draw another circle inside this one and another one inside this one. Shade that in. There's SpongeBob's eyes. 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to draw the necktie. I'm going to leave this line a little bit faint still, but I'm going to draw a necktie starting here with a point over here really close to the edge, like that. And this goes up like this. This goes across. Now these are going to be for the pants, and you notice that it's a little bit uneven. So the shirt part is this top part, and it's slightly smaller in size than the bottom. So the bottom is a little bit wider. Triangles here. And then let's go ahead and start drawing the curve in. There you go. We'll continue with the rest later on. Now I'm going to draw rectangle on this side of the tie, rectangle on this side of the tie. Another rectangle here. I'm shading it in as I go. Another rectangle right here. They don't have to be the same size. Okay, and then over here, the pants continue, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle there. Shade it in. Okay, so there's SpongeBob. Let's figure out where the lines for the arms go, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to kind of draw it going down this way, and then over here this goes out. Think of it as him saying hello, so he's got his arms kind of coming out like this. Okay, and then his feet. Over here, this should be a fairly straight line, so you don't see the bottom of the pants. This goes down over here, so I'm drawing it really close to the edge. There, and then right here, right around, you see this right here, just beneath it. This goes down like so. Excuse me. Zooming in, let's add some details to the arms. So here we're going to kind of start shaping the arm now. That goes like that, and then here roughly like this. And of course it's going to be a collar. There's a collar right here, not a collar, a sleeve, and the sleeve goes like this. And think of a teardrop shape. It's going around like this. And then if you erase the arm at the top, you should have a shape that looks like that. Okay, over here, 2 lines going out, bring them together. That's it. Okay, don't make the hands go down too far down. I'm just going to leave about this much space from the bottom of the pants to his actual hand. Okay, so there's the wrist part. I'm going to draw a circle about this big. Notice that it's a straight line over here. Find a spot right here. Make a triangular shape like that. And now we can draw the thumb, curve, thumb like this. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. There you go. And you know what, before we continue, let's cut to commercial and let's finish this tutorial. Hey guys, this video right here is brought to you by these awesome Patreon patrons. If you are interested in knowing more about how to support this channel through Patreon, check out the link down below, patreon.com/drawit2 for more details. Anyway, let's cut to commercial and then let's get back to business. All right, guys, we're back and let's just continue where we left off. I'm going to find two spots right here. These are going to be for his fingers. Let's start with the pointer finger, the index going down. And then this finger goes out this way, about the same size as the pointer finger. And then here you got the pinky, smaller, and it looks like that. Okay. Now let's move on to this hand right here. And it doesn't matter that this hand is going to be longer than this one. That's how cartoons work, right? So find a spot right around here, draw a line going this way. And then this one goes curved like this. Okay. Right here, I'm going to find a point, and I'm going to draw a thumb, and it's going to go like this. So imagine I kind of have those thumbs, and I should definitely check out if you guys have this thumb as well. My thumb goes like this, or my thumb. Many people, they have thumbs that go like this. Mine does that, very similar to what SpongeBob is doing. So there's little lesson for you guys. Let me know in the comment section what kind of thumbs you have, if you guys are able to do what SpongeBob's doing right here. Okay, let's continue. This is going to change drastically in direction, so you guys see the arm goes out this way and then this one goes like that. Okay, find a spot here and then kind of where the palm is, and then now their fingers are going to be together. So before we draw the feet, why don't we just finish off drawing SpongeBob here? So I asked you guys to kind of draw these lines a little bit lightly. I kind of didn't, but that's okay. Start here and then just draw some zigzag lines going down. And then here, go this way, and then this way. You want to make sure that the wavy lines are not, they're not exactly looking the same as each other. You want to give it a little bit of differentiation between these curves. There you go. Okay, now let's draw the sponge circles on his face. So there's two here, one bigger, one smaller, one over here. They're not perfect circles either, they're more oval shaped. Two there, and I'm just drawing them free-handed. 1, 2. Okay, and there's 4 over here, one big one, one small one, another big one, another small one. Okay, we are almost done, you guys. It's good to have these short tutorials on this channel as well. You know, you kind of want to give your wrist a rest. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's start by drawing these legs. They're slightly wider than the arms. Okay, that goes like that, and this goes like this. Right around here, just as you pass the hand here, that's where you want to cut that. And then over here it gets a little bit higher up, you want to just end it right there. Okay, and then up here, line going out from the corner, goes this way, and then up. Those are for his square pants. Okay, down. You guys notice that it's smaller here than it will be on this side. Same thing over here, it's smaller on this side than it is over here. There you go. Straight line going across for his socks. Blue stripe, red stripe for his socks there. And then lastly are the feet, and nothing to them. Okay, start right here at the top. Bring this down. And curve about this big. This way. And up. There you go. Circle for a shine. Circle for a shine. And then you can shade this black. And over here, something similar. This curves down, and this curves this way and down. Now this one does a curve like so, and then just bring these together like that. Circle there, small circle here, shade it in, which is what I'm going to do with when I start inking it later. And that is that, you guys. Super easy to draw, relatively easy compared to my last tutorial, which was the Iron Man tutorial. But that's it. That is how you draw SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and stay tuned because this week I'm going to be drawing more SpongeBob characters. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at Draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website, draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.